Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time of the day it is that you are watching. Welcome back. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your patience with me. Thank you for giving feedback, for liking my videos. I do appreciate all of you while I'm on this journey of YouTubing. I do my makeup on here. I do tutorials. I also post about skincare videos and also tutorial videos of while I'm getting my hair done. I am completely sorry about how long it's been taking me to post another video. School had actually started before I filmed this. And to be honest with you, I completely forgot to film an intro when I made this video. Right now, I actually am getting ready for bed, but I needed to film this intro as soon as I can. And this video is actually just to get ready with me back on my birthday, January 11th. I know you can't get ready with me now, but still want y'all to take a look into the look that I had completed that day. So I did get my hair done. I did do a very nice beat that day. It was subtle, but it was still popping. Okay, y'all, so on here, my little sister actually had cooked me a birthday breakfast. It's something that we do for each other on our birthdays. So she just made me plant-based sausage with spinach wrap, 2 fried eggs the way I like it, with tomatoes, broccoli, sliced apples, and Activia yogurt. She even remembered to give me 2 different types of dressings that I eat with my eggs and my sausage. I thought it was very cute, and I was very surprised when I woke up that morning. I am not a hairdresser. I don't want to say no idea, but I don't know exactly what my mother is doing. I just know the basics. So like right here, she's gelling my real hair up into like a ponytail, and then she braids it at the end just to get it ready for the rest of the style. So here I am. I'm underneath the dryer. It's one of those, portable dryers. My mom has had it for years. I was under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I just know here that she's gluing some yaki tracks or extensions or, weave into my hair, whatever you want to call it. And then here she already has placed a 4x5 frontal on my hair and just flat ironing it and styling it. This is the finished result of my hair. I love it. I'm going to be doing like a little mini shoot tonight. I finished a little later because I was dozing off in the chair. I'm going to do my makeup just for pictures. I'm not going to do a dramatic look tonight. I'm going to start off with 2 primers. It's going to be the POREfessional Pore Primer by Benefit Cosmetics, as well as the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to start off with my eyes. That's the first thing that I always do when it comes to my makeup. First, I'm using an eye primer from Colourpop Cosmetics. It's the Party Proof, and it's in the shade Caramel, I believe. I'm not using any colorful eyeshadow base today. I'm just going to keep it more simple today. I am using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. It's going to be in shade 12. Okay, so we're going to be applying the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place, and I'm using the Morphe E14 brush. It looks like this, and we're just going to be using the shade Kenya. Something that I want to do just to add a little razzle dazzle shimmer to the look is use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I want to use this Flawed and Odd. Where is it at? Right here, this Flawed and Odd shimmer shadow, as well as the Get Ready With Me. I kind of want to mix that together, and I'm just using a flat head. Now it's time for the foundation. Tonight I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender foundation shade 4.05W. I believe this is also supposed to be full coverage. One thing that I do like about the packaging of this is that, you know, it is in the shape. It has that little beauty blender. I believe some people just stick their beauty blender under here and squirt. The fact that it has the switch. So right now, push on it, it's closed. And then you just switch that over and it opens. To blend the foundation out, I'm using my Real Techniques brush. It's brush 200. Concealer, I'm going to be using again the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer. Again, this is going to be in shade 12. It's the same shade that we used on the eyelids as our base before we applied our eyeshadow. I'm going to be setting underneath my eyes. I'm using the Airspun translucent loose face powder. Okay, so I'm not setting. I'm actually going to be baking. I'm just going to be baking for a few minutes. Went in with the Real Techniques brush 400 and I'm just going to dust off that powder. I'm just going to be using Juvia's Place bronzer. It's in dark, looks like this. And I'm just going to be using a regular fluffy brush. And I'm going to be using the darkest shade on here. Next, I'm applying my blush and my highlighter. And for my blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Putty. It's a cream formula. I do love this type of formula, especially e.l.f.'s Putty blush. I have like several different shades. And this particular shade is the Caribbean shade. I'm going to be applying the blush with the e.l.f. blush brush. I'm going to be using a MAC highlighter. I got this back in 2017. It's from one of their Christmas collections, and I did get it for Christmas. And it's called the Whisper of Gilt highlighter. It's a very pretty thing, and it's you know, it's in the shape of a snowflake. And I'm going to be applying that with a fan brush, and this is from Alpha as well. What's wrong with me? I thought I hit the record button. I did not. I'm very sorry. What I applied on my lips, it's going to be the Colourpop Lippie pencil. It's in shade BFF3, as well as the lip gloss from the Colourpop Fresh Kiss collection. And this is going to be in the shade Speak Easy. I'm going to apply my lashes and then we'll have our completed look. Look, I'm going to set my face with Colourpop's Pretty Fresh setting mist. This is the one that smells like coconut. So this is the final look. Again, it was my birthday today and I turned 24. I feel blessed. I feel grateful. I just feel joyful and happy. I'm just very grateful that I'm here, that I'm able to make this video for you all, that I'm able to continue to do what I love, spending time with my family. I'm going to be celebrating over the weekend, but I just wanted to get my hair done and do my face and feel pretty today. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed getting ready with me, seeing the process of how my hair is done. I tried to record as much as I could. Things I did doze off while getting my hair done. I'm going to post some of the photos that I've taken. All it is just a few selfie shots of my makeup and my hair today. And I didn't have time to get my nails done, unfortunately. So I'm going to try to make time over the weekend. I hope you all like this video. I hope you enjoy this content. If you are a Capricorn, shout out to all my fellow Capricorns. And happy birthday to whoever's birthday is coming up soon. And I hope you all continue to stay safe. Continue to wash your hands because COVID is out there, as well as Flurona and IHU, whatever that crap is, and this new Omicron and Delta, whatever. I'm so sick of it. But continue to be safe and continue to enjoy your life while we're still here. And I hope you all tune in. I will be posting the products that we used for my hair, as well as the products that I used on my face today. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.